Haga pratarek leber hajar arpusan, ka khasi department joka St. Mary's College Shillong, haka jinga trelang bat ka police department East Khasi Hills Shillong headquarter, bat ka counseling committee St. Mary's College, kala rakhe ke International Women's Day halor ka phang, a talk on safety for women. Yakani ka program lapan long ha St. Mary's College auditorium. Hakani ka singi lapan Burom ya ka Shabnam Singh, Women Police Sub-Inspector, Lumdingjeri Police Station, bat ya ka ST Shira, Women Police Constable, Laj Umkra Police Station. Ka Shabnam Singh haka jingkran, kala Kyntu ki Samla Kynthei bakin ri Kyndong ya ka Akor ka Burom kum ki Kynthei. Bakim day ban shanya akul mar ya nuru, bakim day ban sya penthami haki rong pong perthei, namar enda ngila do ya ka Burom ngin syapet kaman. Kelapan syairu ba lada don kijing sya Khubor ki Kynthei, leben kijing plu yeng, lani lada ngidan kam jing rap hakaliang ka shitom ka shipa ngilaban phone hau number iway ar.
Emotional, psychological consequences on women and girls, preventing their full and equal participation in the society. The magnitude of its impact, both in the lives of the individual and families and society as a whole, is immeasurable. Conditions created by humanitarian, health, environmental crises such as the recent COVID-19 pandemic, conflict, and climate changes have further intensified violence against women and girls. There are various types of gender-based violence as well. So what is a gender-based violence? So it is defined as violence that is directly against a woman because she is a woman or that affect women disappropriately. It includes acts that inflict physical, mental or sexual harm or suffering, threats or such act, coercion and other deprivation of liberty. Discrimination against women and inequality in the distribution of power and resources between men and women is the root cause of the violence in today's society. As we all know that during the Vedic period, the women were given a lot of liberty. They were sent, they got the right to choose their own spouse. I believe, in case you may know also, in the Hindu society they had this Swayamvar in which they were given the privilege to choose their own husbands. Okay, in the Vedic time. So in the Vedic period, there were many queens and princesses who were leading their own empire, right? In the Vedic time. So during the post-Vedic, the women started getting less privilege as compared to men. And in the medieval period, there were many crimes against women has started at their house. And women infanticide, female infanticide also was one of the cause of that. So let me talk to you about a few crime against women. So the most inhuman and the most serious crime against women is, I hope everybody has know here, is rape, right? So what is rape? So rape is the most inhuman and serious crime against women. It is the 4th most common crime in India. Prior, we were using IPC, the section 375 of IPC deals with rape and characterizes assault as sex with a lady without wanting to, without her consent, by intimidation, distortion or misrepresentation, or when she had been duped. So I have got many cases when a female comes and she says that I was being raped by somebody without my consent given. So what steps do we take? Okay, so one thing I would like to share with you all is that if anyone is using force on you, never be shy. Do not try to do not try to keep it to yourself. Go to your families, tell them, and please come to the police station. What we do is we will take up a case against that person who has done wrong to you. Okay. So if anybody has done anything wrong, physically, emotionally, mentally, okay, or have touched you inappropriately without your consent, do not keep it to yourself, please. Okay, if you do that, what happens is that the other person is getting benefit that you are keeping it to yourself and will try to do it again to you. I hope you're understanding, right? We are women here, we are not a lay person like that we will just be open everywhere, right? So please try to respect your own body first. And later cases too will come up only. But cases, see, after the photos got viral, you think case will have any impact? The dignity is already gone. Had she not clicked, then nobody would know. But she already clicked, she already sent. Now, the boyfriend will say, I did not force her to give. She said voluntarily. He will brush himself off. He's gone. All the owners will lie on the girl now. People will start pointing on the girl. See, have relationships, but don't make it so casual, na. Don't make it so casual. Right? Many cases relating to women is happening because we girls, we are taking things for granted now. We are taking things for granted now. Okay, fine, I am dating him. He will not do that. He will not do this. He will not circulate my photos. But that is wrong. You can never trust anyone. Never click such pictures of yourself. Never upload all such pictures in social media. Because later if you cry 100 times also, nothing will happen. Your lost dignity lost means gone. Gone. It will never come back. You may win the case, but you will never get back that same respect in the society. Okay? Please don't send, okay? I have got cases like that. Yes, even I did get cases where the victims are sending pictures like that to their boyfriends.
I think there should be...
The perpetrator will take advantage of that. And he may have multiple victims. Do you want that? No, right? So please do not endure any kind of violence in whatever form it may be. Come to us and we will try to fix your issue. Okay? Anything else anybody wants to ask? The 112, please remember, that is an emergency response. In case there is a fire near your house, a fire incident, or you need an ambulance also for that matter, you call 112. Okay? It is not only dealing with the police, it is dealing all over. For fire emergencies, for medical supports, for crimes. So that is your toll-free number. Feel free to call that number. In case you don't have the time to go to your nearest police station, just call in that number. We will come to your doorstep. You don't have to come to us. We will come to you. Okay?